As a Powerline inspector, we spot some electrical problems down here. We see some what? We see some downed 4-aught triplex there. We see a pulled fuse up there. Here we see a backup generator. Alright, so let's see the rating on this generator. Let's see what we got. We got 3-phase, 45,000 watts, 240, 480. Single phase, 240, 120, 26,000 watts. Using a generator indoors can kill you in minutes. Generator exhaust contains carbon monoxide. This is a poison you cannot see or smell. Yeah, that's pretty good in there. So let's take a look at this little electrical problem here. I tell you what, if you see wires down like that, you never ever approach them. I mean, even if you know that's dead, you would still approach it like a live wire. I mean, because if you look, there's another pole there, and there's one up there. How do you know there's not some charge in the ground that could shock you between that and this? I mean, you see a wire down like this, you never ever approach it like it's dead. I mean, even if it's grounded, it's still dangerous. I mean, you got what, 7,200 there? I mean, if that's got a problem up there, you get shocked by a couple thousand volts if you touch that. So let's take a look at this. We got some rusted 15 kVA transformers up there. Got some silicone fuses. So let's see what we got. We have an open delta connection. That's limited 3-phase for the garage there. And we have a single phase 12240 with a pulled fuse. Here, that's a nice Kenworth there, geez. Look at this thing here. That's a nice Kenworth. I mean, that's sweet. Car going by.